So, hello, my dear students. So, I'm going to introduce you all to a new instructional technique called flipped classroom. So, you know that I'm handling measurement and instrumentation for you all. So, we are going to do this new instructional technique flipped classroom for the new topic thermistor, which was in the fourth unit. So, let's see what is it and what you have to do in this activity. So you all know that in traditional way of learning, so the teacher will be delivering the contents in the classroom, in the school and college, where you will be taking notes and you will be going home and you will be doing all the assignment which was given by the teacher and you will be working out all the problems in the home and you will be come back. So this is the traditional way of learning, you know. So what is flipped classroom then? So it is going to be the reverse of your traditional learning environment. So in reverse in the sense where a set of handouts and videos and study materials will be already provided to you. You will be learning all those things in your home, and you'll be coming to the college with a set of questions, with a set of discussions, and an in-class group activity. You'll be get to know the more concepts in your classroom. So you'll be studying the content in the home, and you will be working on the problems and get your doubts clarified with the help of discussions and with the help of teachers' clarification in the classroom. So this is going to be the flipped classroom. So why we have to do flipped classroom? What is the purpose of this technique? Means there are so many advantages for this techniques. So I have listed out here. So the first one is going to be you can learn with the content at your own pace. For example, if there are video means you can pass n number of times. You can go fast forward and you can go backward and you can see n number of repeated times. You can see the content video. That's the first one. Second one, if while studying, if you have any doubts, you can note it down. For example, you want some clarification on a particular topic, you can note it down all your queries and questions, and when you're coming back to the class you can get it clarified with the teachers. That's the second one. And the third one is you receive more support from the students and your peer groups, because when you have already studied the content in your home, when you're coming back to the class, the teacher itself will have enough time for clarifying your doubts. There'll be more time for you and as well as the teachers to understand the concept better. So the fourth one is your independent learning skill will be improved, because you are learning the content, new content, and you are making the clarifications and the doubts, and you're taking notes. So your independent learning will be improved through this technique. And you can help your friends by being a peer tutor. Very nice, very nice thing. Because when you learn a concept, when you have a level of understanding, when your friends are struggling to understand, you can help them to understand better. So it can be a very good peer tutor. And the final one is statistically it is proven that the students in the flipped classrooms earn more grades when compared to the traditional way of learning. So there are n number of advantages I have listed out there for the flipped classroom, which we are going to do in our classroom, right? So for which topic we are going to do means for thermistor. So already I told this topic is in our fourth unit. The fourth unit title is transducer for measurement of non-electrical parameters. So I'm going to give a little bit introduction, not a much detail, because you are going to learn it anyway. So I'm going to give a little bit introduction. That is thermistor means it's going to be a thermal resistor. The thermal resistor in the sense, it is a device. I have listed all the types of materials over here. So it's going to be a device. The resistance of this device, it's going to vary according to the temperature. So if you want to measure any unknown temperature with the help of this device, you can measure it. So I have already given that the resistance of the thermal resistors vary with the temperature. You are going to study, by the way, how it is going to vary, whether it's going to vary proportionally or inverse proportionally. We are going to study that in detail. So don't worry for that. I'm going to share all the study materials with you. So I have listed here the book reference, the details of the title of the book with the author and the page number I have given. And you have to go through the videos, all these three videos links, which will give you a basic on thermistor and what are the types of thermistors and what are all. There's going to be a physical demonstration, like a mini project. There will be a demonstration in the video link. So by going through all these things, will get a much understanding in the topic thermistor. So where you are going to get all these study materials means, As already we are being working on the canvas, you all have been submitting the tutorials and assignments in the canvas, and I have uploaded all these materials in the canvas. I'm going to show you now how to access those material. You all very well know that. I'm going to share. So this is my screen actually, my canvas screen. For that, let me go to our classroom, that is measurement and instrumentation, right? So in measurement and instrumentation, I'm going to click the student's view because the teacher's view is different from yours. So I'm going to give like student view. So this is the exact view you will be seeing, right? So in that you have to go to the files. So in that files, there is a separate folder I have created called flipped classroom materials. So you have to click in that. In that I have given two folders that you will be finding all the PDF and handout materials in this folder. I've given already here. You can go through that. You can go through this, and all the videos link I have given here, the video link, like the in the word file you can find all those videos link, right? So you can access all those study materials from the canvas. I'm going to post all this material in our WhatsApp group also. You can refer from that also. So you are going to refer all those materials, and you have to come back to the class with good understanding and with lot of query questions. And there is going to be an activity in the classroom. So I'm going to give the details of the activity. So the activity is going to be conducted on 27th April, in the second ever, that is 9:50 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. So already we have formed the team, and all the team details were in the canvas. So each team, there will be a problem statement will be given to you, and each statement have to discuss and solve the problems. And at the end of the class, you have to give me the report. So there is also an award. There is a top three teams will be selected and given and will be awarded with the special gifts, right? So I have explained all those things. Now what you have to do is you have to refer all the study materials, and you have to see all the videos and the handouts, and you take notes, and you have any queries, list down all the queries, and come to the class with the list of questions you want to get clarification on that, right? And third one is discuss with your teammates properly, and if any of your friends is not understanding the content properly, you help them to understand. And then during the class hours, be active, so that you can deliver you can actively participate and can give your best. So be active in the class. And finally, allow yourself to commit mistakes, because you are going to try this in our class for the first time. So there might be some mistakes, no, not an issues. So you can commit n number of mistakes. So this is the place where you can learn and you can correct your mistakes before your examination. So all that said done. Uh, so I hope I have explained all the things clearly. So I'm looking forward for the activity, in class group activity. So prepare well, and if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Thank you.